In this video, I'm going to talk about SMT and then the first order block that gets formed after an SMT. They are and how we can leverage it for our own trading advantage. All right. So for SMT, let's first take a pair of correlated assets. So in this case, what I'm going to do is you see on the left side of the screen, it's ES, right? S&P E-mini futures, and on the right side, it's NASDAQ, which is NQ, right? NDX 100 futures. The correlation is extremely high. So first, let's look at the SMT here. So you see here ES making a higher low vis-a-vis here NQ making a lower low, right? So this is a clear case of SMT. Okay. Now, what I want you to focus on in this video is really the first order block that's get formed. So if you look at the price delivery from here we have a series of down close candles, right? Consecutive down close candles. So if I draw this right here, once this price traded through this, right, what we have is a bullish order block. Okay, so I'm going to denote it with plus OB, which is a bullish order block. And similarly, if I look at ES, we had right from here to here an order block that got formed, with this candle closing above it, right? Now here I'm looking at a 4-hour chart, right? So now price is fractal. You can do the same analysis on smaller time frame as well. I'm just looking at a 4-hour, and in fact, if I go on a daily chart, what you will see is that this SMT that I'm talking about is this SMT happened on a daily, right? So from daily, I got to 4-hour, and that's what I want to talk about here. Okay, so here we have this as the first order block on a 4-hour chart, and on ES, this is the first 4-hour block on a 4-hour chart, right? Both of them bullish. Now, what I want to really, the key point here is that any order block that gets formed after this kind of SMT is a high probability order block. Okay, and that really should be the takeaway from this video. All right, so this is high probability, and you can look at your charts across any time frame, and you can journal it for yourself, right, and see how effective these order blocks are. So you see what happened. The price traded through this, made this order block, price traded back in, and guess what, getting the reaction from the order block. Okay, so you see how this is working as a high probability order block. Similarly, if you look at the ES, the price traded through this, make it an order block, and then I guess when the price is about a tick or so from this order block, right, got that reaction. So this is extremely powerful. If you're a day trader, you can perhaps look at your 15-minute chart, and whenever you see a SMT like this on your 15-minute chart, you can look at that order block as a potential high probability order block based on which you can frame your intraday trades as well. All right. So let me actually maybe for something that may have happened recently, and then give you a bit of and provide another example. So this is a 15-minute chart. Let me give you an example of a bearish case. All right, so you see here this high to this high vis-a-vis this high to this high. Okay, so as this was making a higher high, this made a lower high. All right, and so this is a clear bearish SMT. Now let's just focus on the order block right after this price action. So you see right here there was this bearish order block, and here there was this another bearish order block. Okay, and by definition what you will see here is, let's write high probability bearish order block, high probability bearish order block. Now since we are on a 15-minute chart, all these swings obviously are intraday swings. So you see what happened. Once the price traded through this, made this a bearish order block, price tried, actually touched few times and see the reaction, right? Similarly, you see here the price traded through this, made this an order block, price touched through it, and then see the reaction. Now, I'm not going to get into the details in terms of what the target, etc. would be, because that would depend on the broader construct. But my point about this is that whenever you are marking these SMTs, always pay attention to the next order block that's getting formed and try to use that depending on the time frame, either for your day trade or swing trades, right? So in this example, because this is a 15-minute chart, this could have been used for, for day trading, looking at these intraday swings. Similarly, the earlier example that I talked about, where the SMT was based on a daily and a 4-hour, variably, for that kind of time frame, you're looking at more likely a swing trade than a day trade. All right, so that's about it for.
Hey everyone, it's Dale here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like to trade alongside me and our team of prop firm funded traders every day, then click the link below the video and hop aboard. We are looking forward to trading with you.